Experiencing false alarms on your VW Golf Mk6, it's a common issue often linked to three main culprits: the comfort module, door switches, and the Siren battery. The comfort module acts as the alarm's brain, and corrosion or software glitches can cause false triggers. Door switches detect if doors are open or closed. When they stick due to dirt or wear, they can initiate an alarm loop. Lastly, the Siren has its own battery, and when depleted, it can cause intermittent or weak alarms. Use an OBD2 scanner with apps like VCDS to check for fault codes such as door contact unplausible or central locking malfunction. Checking the wiring harness and grounding is also key. Addressing these points will help you pinpoint the cause before moving on to repairs. Remember to disconnect the negative terminal of the car battery before beginning any work. Once you've identified the problem, here are some solutions. For a faulty comfort module, consider a refurbished unit, costing between $200 and $400, and remember to have it reprogrammed to factory settings. Clean corroded connectors with contact cleaner. If door switches are the issue, replacement switches can be sourced, but be cautious of counterfeit parts, particularly from China. Verify OEM authenticity to avoid short circuits. Replacing the Siren battery is another common fix. These are typically 9 volts or OA-type batteries. Note that extreme weather can shorten battery life. For preventive maintenance, consider using telematics apps like Carista or OBD-Link for real-time monitoring, which, according to recent user surveys, can reduce false alarms by up to 40%. If DIY isn't your forte, dealerships charge $500 to $1,000 for repairs, often involving module reprogramming. Ignoring these issues can lead to a drained car battery or security risks, so it's best to address them promptly.